life. Ambition.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ambition Right. So if you want to know how I got this top knot on my low density fine-ish short to medium length hair, then keep on watching, because I am tired of looking up tutorials and I'm finding like how to do a bun and then her hair is mad long. Like no, that doesn't apply to me. So I'm going to show you how to get this done. I'm going to use my spray bottle and just spray my edges. This is an old wash and go, by the way. If you haven't seen those videos, go ahead and check them out. I've been loving the As I Am Smoothing Gel to put this up into a top knot. It gives me a nice, like, moisturized hold. It's not a crispy hold. Alright, I'm going to use my boar bristle brush and just lightly... See, look at that. Like... I like this smoothing gel. So the trick to us low density fine like strand girls is, for a top knot, we can't just put it all up like this, right? Because look at that. Like, what is this? Barely any hair, sis. Barely any hair. Like, we ain't bald, but it's just a little on the thin side. So, you know, we're going to put this up in a puff. To put it up in a puff, if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check that out. But I use stocking and it doesn't snag on my hair or anything. So we're going to go ahead and put it in a puff. But what you're going to do is make sure it's really high. So you're going to like grab it. And you're going to push it forward. Going to make sure it's really high, because I want my top knot like right here. So squeeze it to how high you want it. I think I want it like right here. Yeah, I think that's good. Go ahead and tie it. You're going to split it in two like this. You're going to bring this side to that side. So you're going to like kind of form your bun. Form the shape of the bun like this. And you're going to hold them together like that. And grab your bobby pin and pin it together. Now you're going to have like this left over here, right here. So squeeze it together and bring it also back there and bobby pin it. So this helps if you have, again, shorter hair, because it's going to stick up like that. Like, just stick them in and it should be fine. So now you're just going to continue to kind of like form the bun. So this is sticking out right here. So I'm going to grab another bobby pin and kind of like just stick that in. Play around with it until you get your desired shape. My hair is definitely short. And I always have pieces just sticking out. And if you want it more like pointy, you could just grab a scrunchie and kind of like tie it around here and it'll go higher. But I don't like it like that. It makes me look super tall for no reason. Again, if you have little scragglies, I feel like I love saying that, scragglies. You just go ahead and pin them in and do your edges, sis. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. And a tip before you apply the Mielle Edge Control is to wet your edges first. That's how you don't get it to be all dry looking and it doesn't cake up. Alright, this is the final look for my top knot. Got the edges on fleek-a-deek. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So let's show you how the back looks. Good. So again, you could put a scrunchie here to make it higher. You can make the bun bigger. It all depends on how far and how tightly you kind of like pull it. This is the easiest top knot if you have like shorter to medium length hair. I feel like this is the only way I could get a bun. Doing it the other way just does not work for me, like, at all. I want more tips on like how to make buns and ponytails on shorter hair. I have that other video. I'll put the thumbnail here where I kind of show you how to make your puff or your ponytails look thicker when your hair's thin. Like, I got you. Like, I'm sick of these long hair girls, no offense, but like, come on, like, yeah, but you can still do this if your hair's long too, but y'all don't got that problem because you can always just whoosh, wrap it up and you good. But this is how I gotta do it. I gotta fake the funk. But anyways, I hope this helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next one. Bye, guys.